Welcome to Bag J, front center assembly, center rear assembly. And as always, let's cut open the contents of the bags, get all these pieces out in front of us so we'll know exactly what we need for this particular portion of the build, taking special attention to not lose any of these portions as they are essential to completing this build effectively. Let's start out by grabbing the front center assembly and let's remove the A block. If you notice, the A block has a little lip down toward the bottom. Let's grab hold of the chassis and attach the front assembly to it. And using the A block with the lip, there's a small compartment that fits right in along with the chassis. Let's use that and let's lock down that A block onto the chassis by tightening down on the screws back in the front. To complete the tightening process, there are 4 more screws on the underside of the front assembly in the chassis. We'll need those 4 10mm screws to complete that. After having tightened down on all 4 screws, you will have assembled the front. Next, we want to install the differential support and the center brace. Here we want to install the motor mount. There's specific holes drilled out based off of what pinion size you're going to be using, so select your pinions appropriately, and it is perfectly drilled out these holes, so there's no guesswork and it provides a perfect mesh. After having selected your holes, let's go ahead and insert the motor mount using Loctite to tighten down on the screws. Here we'll be tightening into metal, so the Loctite is definitely needed and appropriate in this case. After having done so, the car really starts to take shape and takes form here. Next, we want to insert our center differential and the support. You'll notice that there is a little bit of challenge getting the drive shaft in, so you'll have to unassemble the front brace. Just 2 screws which come loose, which enable you to pivot the brace, fit the dog bone into the center differential, and then close it again. After having done so, you will have completed center assembly. For the rear, the same as the front. Let's remove the screws and place the rear assembly on, along with the rear chassis brace. After which, you will have completed front and center assembly.